15. Last lesson, linear component. To be more specific, extending a wall or erasing a section of the wall. Lesson of today, creating a door for the project. In architecture buildings, surely, there'll be many different types of doors, just like the wall and the column last time. We should create a list of templates. For ease, when creating a 3D model, first we need a list of walls. I've prepared a file containing all available walls to create the doors. Select the door icon and the Properties button to adjust the properties. Opening tab. You choose the shape of the door. Usually it's the rectangle. Door symbol on the ground. You choose agreeably. Geometry parameters part for the door. For width of opening, can enter new value. Example, width of 3,200 mm. Next you enter the height of the opening. For example, 3,600 mm. Height of sill. Of course, you can set the door height with this height button. A level management window will appear. Do the same way like this for walls and columns in videos before. Here I assign the bottom level to the lower positioning plane. The top level will follow the height of the door. Here I choose the value of 3,600. Click OK. Below is a sample of the door that will be displayed in 3D. Click on the icon here to extract the available door samples. For example, we choose garage door. I choose this door sample. I will talk more clearly in the following article about the types of doors displayed in 3D. On the right is showing a preview of the door opening. Format properties, position of sill and reveal. For Reveal tab, adjust the relative position of the door relative to the wall edge. We can also see the illustration. You can adjust the position of the door relative to the edge of the wall by entering the parameters. For example, door depth is 50 mm. Door position is located close to the outside wall. After adjusting the format settings, you can create the door. Choose OK. You can choose to any point on the wall. Determine the reference point as in the previous lesson. Then enter the offset value. The software will ask the beginning and end of the door. You define and press enter. Then click to select the location of the accordant door symbol. Press escape to exit the command. Similarly, you create all types of doors for prepared walls. Here I have prepared a sample of doors. You also now save as a wizard as the previous lesson. That we did with the lesson on walls and columns. Then after saving, you will have a palette on the left side of the screen. We started creating doors for the floor now. First, you choose to file. We begin to create the garage door on the first floor. Choose the wall, right-click on the door, then place on the wall you need. For example, click on any point on the wall. Select the reference point. Enter the positioning value. Press Enter to confirm. Click to determine side we place the door symbol. Press Enter and Escape to exit the command. Next, you choose a door for the project. Here I choose the door D01. Similarly, right-click to match and place in the suitable wall position. Click Enter. Choose the location to put symbol of the door. Then press Escape. Similarly, for other door opening, then the following are all the doors I created for the project. The lesson about the doors ends here. Next lesson, creating door smart part.